Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great and perfectly fine. Welcome back to my channel, Hisam Academy, with your mentor, Sumbul Brisby. So today in this video, we are going to discuss that how to talk about your family in English language. This topic is very interesting, very easy, very simple, very basic, but very useful. Because whenever you meet someone new or whenever you introduce yourself, so the first question that people ask you is about your family. So you must know how to talk about your family in English language. So if you are having a very casual, normal conversation with someone, or if you are professional, or if you are giving your interview, so talking about your family is one of the most important things that you need to work upon. So today we are going to learn, or we are going to discuss that how we can talk about our family in English language. Because this topic is very relatable, so that's why I will be delivering my lecture in both our languages, in Urdu and in English language both, so that it would be easily understandable by every one of you. But before starting this video officially, once again I would like to request every one of you to please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you would never miss on any update. Plus, if you really like the way I teach you English language, and if you want to hire me as your personal mentor in the journey of learning English language, and if you believe that I can actually help you out in this journey, or for example, if you are looking for one speaking partner for your IELTS or PTE preparation, so you can drop me a line on WhatsApp and the number is shown on your screen. For all the people out there who are watching this video, if you want to hire me as your personal mentor, so you can use this particular video as your discount coupon. Yes, because if you come to me with the reference of this particular video, so I will give you a very good discount. So just make the most of it. Now let's start this video officially. You can start with a very basic information. Like for example, you can say that I have a very small family. There are 4 family members in my family: my mother, my father, my elder brother or my younger brother, and me. Or in another way, you can say that we are a family of 4 because I live with my parents and my younger brother or slash elder brother. So both of the versions, they are absolutely correct. You just need to choose or pick your favorite one and then you can simply use it. यानी कि आप इन दोनों ही तरीकों में से कोई भी एक तरीका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं जो भी आपके लिए आसानी लगे. Both of the versions, they are absolutely correct. So I am providing you 3 simple and easy phrases or expressions that you can easily use to talk about your family. 3 एक्सप्रेशंस मैं आपको दे रही हूँ जो कि आप अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बात करने के लिए बहुत आराम से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Like for example, the first one you can say that I come from a dash. अब इस dash के अंदर basically आप कहाँ से belong करते हैं वो आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं. Like for example, if you come from a small village or small family, so you can say that I come from a small village. Similarly, you can say that there are dash members in my family. अब आपकी family members कितने हैं? 3, 4, 5, 6 वो number आप basically यहाँ पर insert कर सकते हैं. Like for example, there are 4 family members in my family. There are 6 members in my family. Or for example, you can also say that my family consists of dash. अब कितने members पे आपकी family consist करती है? You can mention this. So these are 3 different ways through which you can actually talk about your family, and it's very basic. Now let's go a step ahead. It's step number 2 basically. So once you have mentioned this thing that how many family members are there in your family, now in this step you can talk about them a little bit. थोड़ा बहुत आप अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, सामने वाले को बता सकते हैं. जैसे कि अगर आप ये बात पहले बता चुके हैं, if you have mentioned this thing that you have your father in your family, so now in this step you can talk about your father a little bit. For example, you can say that my father is a doctor and he is very kind and very helpful and very friendly because he always helps people. तो इस स्टेप के अंदर आप अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के बारे में चाहे एक लाइन ही क्यों ना सही, लेकिन थोड़ी बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन उनके बारे में कि लाइक वो क्या करते हैं या वो कैसे हैं बाय नेचर, ये चीज़ आप बहुत आराम से बता सकते हैं. Similarly, you can talk about your mother as well. For example, you can say that I have my mother in my family and she is basically a housewife, but she loves cooking and she loves taking care of everyone in the family. So this is going to be a really good sentence. Similarly, if you have one elder sister, so you can talk about her as well. Like for example, you can say that I have one elder sister in my family and she's a professional and she works as a HR manager in a highly reputed firm or organization. And she has a very good bond with me and I love spending time with her. Similarly, if you have one little brother, younger brother, so you can talk about him as well. Like for example, you can say that I have one younger brother, he is in school, he is super duper active and he loves to trouble me. So through all these basic sentences and information, you can not just simply talk about your family members, but it is a really good way to introduce your family members to someone else. Similarly, if you have grandparents at your home, अगर आपके घर में आपके नाना, नानी या दादा या दादी हैं, so you can talk about them as well. Like for example, my grandfather reads me amazing stories and I love spending time with him. So you can talk about your family members, you can talk about their job, you can talk about their nature, and you can share some interesting facts or habits about them as well. Similarly, in the next step, you can use some really cool adjectives to describe their personalities about your family members, obviously. First of all, you need to understand that what are adjectives. Adjectives क्या होते हैं? So adjective is basically something that modifies a noun or pronoun. यानी कि for example, if I have this water bottle, okay, and it's of pink color. अगर ये pink color की है, so pink is the adjective of this bottle क्योंकि इसका color क्या है? Pink है. So you can always use some really cool adjectives to talk about the nature or the personality of your family members. You can talk about your father that he is very kind. You can talk about your mother that she is very loving and caring. You can talk about your little or younger brother that he is very funny. Or you can talk about your elder sister that she is very supportive. You can talk about your grandma that she is very strict. You can talk about your grandfather that he is very cheerful, or you can use other two adjectives as well. For example, friendly and honest to talk about any other family member. Adding these small words or adjectives, they can actually improve your sentences. Now, in the next step, you need to talk about those things or those activities that you guys do together. क्योंकि जब भी हम अपनी फैमिली मेम्बर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं तो सामने वाला सबसे पहले हमसे यही सवाल करता है कि लाइक डू यू गेट अलॉन्ग विद योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स या डू यू जेल विद देम डू यू वाइब विद देम. सो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि अगर हम उनके साथ कंफर्टेबल हैं या अगर हम उनके साथ हैप्पी फील करते हैं, सो व्हाई डू वी फील हैप्पी विद देम. कोई ना कोई तो ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ होती होंगी कि जो हम उनके साथ करते हैं और हम उनके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड फील करते हैं. तो इन दिस स्टेप यू नीड टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल दोज एक्टिविटीज. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन से दैट वी हैव डिनर टुगेदर एवरी नाइट, यानी कि हम सब लोग सारे के सारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स रोज़ाना रात में बैठकर एक साथ डिनर करते हैं. या फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन से दैट ऑन वीकेंड्स वी वॉच मूवीज टुगेदर एट होम और वी गो आउटसाइड और वी गो पार्क, यानी कि हम पार्क जाते हैं, कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, या हम डिनर पे जाते हैं कहीं बाहर, या हम सब साथ बैठ के एक साथ मूवी देखते हैं. Similarly, you can say that we love celebrating small events. Like for example, we love celebrating birthdays, anniversaries and festivals together. तो जो काम भी आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ एक्चुअल में रियल में करते हैं, you just need to describe all those activities because it shows that how much close you are with your family members. So you just need to be true and real. Like for example, I have just finished writing one small paragraph for you people, so you can also make your own paragraphs like this. Like for example, you can say that I come from a small family and there are 4 family members in my family. My parents, my elder sister and me. My dad works in a bank and my mom is a homemaker. My sister is doing her studies and we are very close together and always support each other. Every Sunday, we have a family lunch and spend quality time with each other. And I love my family a lot. So इस तरीके का एक स्मॉल सा पैराग्राफ आप भी अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बता सकते हैं. एंड अगर आप ऐसा कोई पैराग्राफ बना रहे हैं तो बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा कि उस पैराग्राफ को आप कमेंट सेक्शन के अंदर ज़रूर मेंशन करें. एंड यू कैन शेयर योर पैराग्राफ विद मी और मैं ज़रूर उस पैराग्राफ को चेक करूँगी. एंड इफ़ आई फाइंड एनी मिस्टेक सो आई विल डेफिनेटली गोना करेक्ट इट. Let me give you few tips before ending this video, that if you are eager to practice speaking English language, or if you really want to attain the fluency while speaking, so one of the very effective way is to just practice in front of mirror. आप करके देखें ट्राई, आपको खुद एहसास होगा, फील होगा कि दिस practice is like one of the cheapest method जो आप कर सकते हैं, because you do not need to pay anything to anyone. तो आप बस शीशे के सामने बैठे and just start practicing speaking English language. You will feel कि आप automatically वो confidence gain कर रहे हैं और fluency भी आपकी speaking के अंदर आ रही है. So that's all for today, guys. That was a very quick and a very short video because I just wanted to teach you that how you can actually talk about your family members in English language. क्योंकि बहुत मर्तबा ऐसा हुआ है कि मैंने लोगों से बात की है, करती हूँ, I do have my sessions, and when I have my sessions and when I ask people about your family members, so they actually do not know what to say and how to say it. So I felt that this was something that was really needed. So that's why I shared this very small topic with you people. So if you like this video, so do not forget to like, comment and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel as well and share this video with someone who actually needs to hear this. And stay hooked for more because I am coming with a lot more and new and interesting content for you people, just on how to behave, how to talk professionally, how to go outside, how to introduce yourself. So how to के ऊपर बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप लोगों के लिए बन रही हैं. They are in the process. So stay hooked for more and thank you so much for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.